Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how can you set up business Gmail under your domain. So let's get started. First, open your any browser and search Google Workspace Business Plan. So after search, you can see some website. Just go on Google Workspace website, and here you can see all plans, all packages on Google Workspace. So I will select business starters because this is enough for me. You can select this as well. So just click start a trial. After that, just click create a new account instant. So you have to input your business name here. I inputted my business name and just you and region Bangladesh and next. So you have to input here first name, last name and current email address. It should be current email address should be your personal Gmail address or another personal email address, not business. Just click next and choose a way to set up your account. So you don't, if you don't have any domain, then click get a new custom domain. But I have already own a domain, so I click set up using my existing domain. Continue with this method. So I have to paste it my domain name and next. So after just click next here and just I will set up email under my domain and I am going to set up password. You have to set up a new password on here. Okay, then click agree and continue. You can select uncheck this or check this, that's not mandatory. Agree and continue. So my email already set up, so I'm going to log in now. So you have to go to accounts.googledocs.com or gmail.com. So just click next and I inputted my password now. Next. Okay, so you have to verify your email account through your number. So I'm going to input my number, get code. Okay, so I'm waiting for the code. I got it. Verify. So that's it, I understand. Okay, so I'm click try free for 14 days. Agree and continue. And in this step you have to set up your payment method. So payment method and address details. I'm inputting my address details. Okay, so you have to input your card details as well. Okay, after input all details, just click agree and continue and you will see the Google Workspace admin console. So everything is done. Set up Google Workspace email through your custom domain. I'll show you how can you verification your email or domain by add DNS record on another video. If you get this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.